Professor. My name is Navneet Kaur and I'm from the section 007. My student ID is 0777408. Today I'm giving my presentation, and the topic is the troubleshooting Windows startups. And the introduction of the topic is about how to troubleshoot a Windows, like how we can boot the process and what kind of things we can do before to tackle the problem, and as well as what are the key components to do that activity in a good way, like when the process starts and how it would be end with different kind of steps, and what are the tools to happen to solve the problem. In addition, it let us know about the reinstallation solution, and as what other kind of tools that are used to reinstall the window. Some are the precautions to troubleshooting the window, like in which situation the window will be maintained, as well as I'm going to start my topic about the boot process. First of all, we power on the desktop and the screen start visual. There are two different kind of process boot process, like a hard boot and the soft boot. Cold boot, that has an extra name, warm boot, that is used to boot the OS. And first one is for start the switch. Starting steps are done by the soft boot, also takes less time, as well as started by UEFI and other tools, but the hard drives gets a lot of time, and power button is treated as a soft button, and the process getting starts. CPU is the initial step to do that process. So there are many key components that work, so all doing all over the process. And startup BIOS or UEFI are initial steps to do that process. It reads the process and find the list against the RAM. Startup BIOS to run the PowerPoint self-test, that is divided into many steps that confirm the firmware, the UEFI pack, UEFI boot manager, and the driver. That manager read out the setting that are in BCD window. Winload.exe has the responsibility to load the components of the Windows, as well as the kernel also has also many activities, like HUL and read more information, start critical services, and so many. After doing all these kind of services, kernel begins all drivers and mentioned services, start session manager, and runs in user mode. These are the all works of the kernel. And the system manager do server run time subsystem. The system manager begins the logos manager win logo, the start the services .exe will initialize the local security services, launches userint .exe. Windows startup, it's properly completed with the desktop. So there are many also key components that helps to keeping our computer healthy, like do backups time to time, make a system image, configure window 10 or 8 to use the F8 key component, make recovery boot area. We can use it to launch the window RE. Window RE has another name, window recovery environment, that starts within a window flash uh, drive or the window DVD. With the help of the recovery drive for launching the window RE, press the F8 button, especially in the window 7. As well as there are many tools to troubleshooting the startups, like startup repair, startup settings, system restore, safe mode, enabling boot moding, CFC, and the check disk part, boot track, boot set commands. And some are the ways to reinstall Windows, like Windows 10 previous version, a repair, upgrade, fresh start, reset. Windows 10 already have a fresh start and reset. And in Windows 10 or 7 we can use the system image. Also whenever we need to reinstall the window with the help of the window setup, we can use the help of window so setup media. And many manufacturers give the recovery partition for the hard drive to set back the desktop to the manufacturer destination, but we can do that window setup media. And how to tackle the problem, troubleshooting, and it hard drives contains the important data not booted well. We can recover the data by installing the driver in other desktops. So thank you so much for giving me your precious time. Thank you. you.